Answer to question 2.2.2. From the given question, we are given Sn, which is sum of n equal to 30,500 rand. We are also given A, which is 100 rand. So, and then D is equal to 150 rand. We need to know to use the sum of n of a arithmetic series. Sn is equal to n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We need to determine our n now. Our n is unknown. Our n is unknown. N is not given. So let us now apply the formula now. We state that Sn is 30,500. 30,500 equal to n over 2 into 2. Our A is 100 plus n minus 1 into 150. So we need to multiply both sides by 2. So we are going to have 61,000 equal to n into 200 plus 150n minus 150. Now 61,000 equal to n into 150n plus 50, because 200 minus 150 is 50. Now you remove the bracket. 61,000 equal to 150 n square plus 50n. So let us collect the leg times. Let us move everything we have this side to other side. So we are going to have 150 n square plus 50n minus 61,061 equal to 0. So now we divide both sides by 50. That is, we are going to divide through by 50. Divide through by 50. So when you divide through by 50, we are going to have 3n square plus n minus 1,220 equal to 0. Now we can now factorize this one now. You can use quadratic formula. We can also use factorization method. So when you factorize it, we have minus 20 and plus 61 as a factor of minus 1,220. So which means we are going to have n minus 20 into 3n plus 61 equal to 0. Now we need to solve for n. So n is therefore 20 or minus 61 over 3. Recall that n cannot be a negative or fraction. Our n cannot be a negative, and as well as our n cannot be a fraction. So which means we need to decide what is going to be the value for n. From option we have now, we have n to be equal to 20, or we have n equal to negative 61 over 3. So therefore, we can conclude that n is equal to 20. So if my n is equal to 20 now, we need to determine the value for x. What is the value for x? X is the same thing as last number. X is the same thing as last number. And then the last number is the same thing as a plus n minus 1 into d. We know our a, we know our d. Therefore, x is going to give us 100 plus 20 minus 1 into 150. So we have x is equal to 100 plus 19 multiplied by 150. So which is 100 plus 2,850. So our x is equal to 2,950 rand. Therefore, from the question we are looking for value for x. So we all know that the x now is the same thing as our last number, which is the same thing as 2,950 rand. That is the price for the x value, which is the last number. So that is the answer for question 2.2.2.